Well, your questions bring me to say more about this government that I'm trying to avoid. But you know, the truth has to be said. Since 2015, was there anything ever done right? That's what you have to see. Nothing has been done right. I just mentioned in the opening paragraph, not a single promise fulfilled. Nothing was ever done right by these people. We are appealing to Nigerians. Countries, especially like Nigeria, are most vulnerable during transition periods. That short transition period, that's the most vulnerable time for diverse countries like Nigeria. We have to work with citizens to hold this giant egg not to break. It's a very giant, fragile egg. We don't want it to break and spill on all of us. The sacrifice everyone has to make, that we are making, our citizens have to make the same. I still don't believe anybody will fall down and die. I pray not from hunger. You see, in our thinking, in our philosophy, that effort which you made in the most difficult circumstances yields you a greater result than the kind of sacrifice you make when you're in absolute comfort. Nigerians are in a lot of difficulty. We know we are even in greater difficulty than Nigerians. Citizens, or you think who cannot draw cash from ATMs. There is nothing we can say besides the fact that, please, Nigerians, the darkest part of the night is just before dawn. The sun has gone. The sun is yet to rise. The sun has gone, so to say, on this era, if this election works. And a very bright day is beckoning. Just bear out. We have days to go to the election and weeks, and we know we have to hit the ground running. But let me reiterate, these people have not done anything right. Nowhere in the world has a central bank ever been charged with fiscal responsibilities. But we have seen it years before now. CBN doing agriculture, only for us to come and find out the CBN governor had presidential ambition. This is wrong. Where is the commander-in-chief? What was he doing? Go back in time. There were 3 culprits. One ran away from the country. One was imprisoned, so to say, or jailed. The other one, who is the CBN governor, remained in his office, prospered. How come? How is that possible? And then to come and see that he became close to those who are close to Commander-in-Chief. Everything that could go wrong in Nigeria has gone wrong. So do not expect currency change to work out perfectly, because they have never done anything. People cannot still collect their PVC cards. And I would say PVC is even more important than cash. Where is the government? Everything that is going wrong is going wrong. A little more perseverance and we'll get there. I'm really, really sorry that Nigerians are going through this. We're all in it, we're feeling it. Thank you. Deviate from that and say that Central Bank of Nigeria engaged in a certain change of currency for the sake of elections. This has never happened in history. At least I studied economics. I know, I think I can comfortably, it is completely wrong for CBN to do anything that is political or electoral, because it is not their work. It is not the work of CBN to do anything electoral. They could not manage the value of the Naira. They saw Naira fall from 197 to 750. And they come to tell us that they are doing this for elections. Why did they not change the currency before 2019 elections? We're not going, well, if they are trying to stop vote buying, in principle it is good. In principle. But how is it being implemented? CBN has nothing to do with elections. That's the answer.